Welcome to PLP. The following presentation illustrates the recommended application of the helical pigtail with short lock strap guy marker. The helical pigtail is secured in the guy marker near the center of the product. Pull it out in preparation for installation. The short lock strap is located at one end of the guy marker. This end will be installed towards the anchor for the guy wire. Begin the application by placing the seam of the guy marker tube on the strand and apply pressure so the tube is forced completely over the strand. Bending the tube as shown helps the process. Additionally, sliding the guy marker up on the strand may reduce resistance. Apply the marker until the helical pigtail is reached. Now install the helical pigtail around the strand. Then, apply pressure to the guy marker tube while also applying a bend. Tucking the applied helical pigtail into the associated cutout, finish placing the rest of the guy marker onto the strand. The helical pigtail will prevent the guy marker from sliding up on the strand, but the guy marker can be slid downward to align into proper position to apply the short lock strap. Pull the strap around the guy marker. Now push the locking strap through the hole. Complete the application by sliding the guy marker downwards as far as it will go.